Okay guys, I'm gonna be making chili sauce, so I'm just gonna be using, I think this is pili pili or piri piri or whatever you call it, and then there's tomatoes, onions, and garlic and paprika, and maybe sometimes people put ginger in chili sauce, but I will think about that. But for now, this is the main ingredients, and then you will check them out. So like I just put a little bit of sunflower oil at the bottom. So like first, you know, you can make the chili raw, but I decided that it's better to actually cook them because then they last longer. So first I'm putting garlic. I'm gonna put garlic and a bit of onion. Like actually I'll just put, I'm just trying to think, yeah, like that. Because I chopped everything. And then after the onions, I'm just gonna wait for them a little bit to brown. Yeah, because you can smell them, they're browning already. Then I'm gonna add tomato in it, there. Some tomatoes. And then I'm gonna add some paprika. The reason why I'm adding paprika now, or green pepper, is because I want to add the chili last. You know, when you cook chili, what happens. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Just give me a second. And then while I'm doing that, I'm going to add some salt. So I'm just going to take maybe a tablespoon. So some people prefer to put like a little bit of vinegar in it, and I might, or like something lemony. So I'm just going to put a bit of salt there, just to add some taste to it. And then we're gonna put some chili, because you can smell that it's, so I put all the chili in. Lord have mercy, I don't know how hot it's gonna be, but here it goes. Oh my god, you can just like smell it already, like, oh child. Now I was thinking of adding some black pepper, but I've changed my mind. Maybe, ooh, it is hot, y'all, it is hot. I think the chili is almost ready. So what I'm gonna put is, I think I'll put just slightly, I'm gonna put some vinegar, maybe just a little bit. This is white wine, or white wine vinegar, or white vinegar, just a little bit. Maybe we might make it like a bit tabasco. It's like just to make it like tabasco-ish. Some people like prefer to put, maybe I'll put a bit of black pepper, just slightly, but not too much, because these are fresh ingredients that we have here. Because what I'm planning to do actually is, the reason why I'm semi-cooking it is I'm gonna blend it actually to make some. I'll just add a little bit of water, not too much. I'll use one of these bowls, maybe the one that had chili. Not too much, just a little bit so we can see it enough. There. Maybe I'll add slightly a bit of salt to taste that it's not that hot. Only if we could cook, maybe we could cook some avocados. Just kidding. Just adding some salt now because of the water. I'm just gonna keep stirring it a little bit to make sure all the ingredients are in there. Maybe I'll add a bit of black pepper, but not too much, just a little bit. This is freshly ground black pepper, so just like that. So that would probably be barely half a teaspoon, something like that. And then I'm definitely gonna grind them, because the reason why I'm pre-cooking them is so that they can last longer. Because if you have fresh ingredients, yes, it lasts, but then it'll probably last like 2-3 days, but this one could probably last maybe a week. Or if I actually put it in a jar, it could last maybe a month, you know, in a glass jar. So I'm just doing that. I'll wait for it to slightly boil, and then Sorry about the lighting, like, and maybe you can see a bit better since I'm not in the shadow anymore. But this is what happens when you have solar lighting in the kitchen. And this is my mom's kitchen, so gotta make do with what I have. So there we go. So I'll just let it slightly boil, and then I will grind. And a blender or something. Or I'll probably use a hand mixer, maybe that's even quicker. Yep, I think I'll do that, because if I put it in a blender, but that's the thing, where all the chilies actually get in. No, maybe I need to use a knife for that. Let's get this out, sorry. Let's do that. Nothing should be wasted, so we'll just put that there. Just waiting. Okay, so it's slightly boiling, like so. So then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the hand blender, the hand mixer. So we're gonna turn off the heat, and then turn off it, and then blend it. So I'm gonna do that. There. And then I'm gonna use the hand mixer. Okay, I think it's fine. So then I'll just let it cool, and then I'll use it when I need